We're back to give you the legal edge, and we're doing that by getting to know Bryan Waldman a little bit better. He's an attorney for the Sinus Dramus law firm, and we've picked his brain on a variety of topics over the years. This is part 2 of my interview with him about being a lawyer.
For roughly 29 years, I've been handling different types of personal injury cases. That's really what our firm does. That's exclusively really what I've done for 29 years for the most part. I do volunteer work on other types of cases occasionally. But for me, that was a good fit because it was about helping people, which is what I want to do. I didn't have a desire to work for a big corporation or anything like that. I mean, what you can do with a law degree is so diverse. And you can make a lot of money being a lawyer. You can make a little bit of money being a lawyer, and you can do all types of things to enhance your quality of life. So, if someone's not happy doing what they're doing with a law degree, there's other stuff they can do. If they want to work in a corporate setting, if they want to represent corporations, they can do that. If they want to hang up a shingle and be a sole practitioner and set their own hours, they can do that. The possibilities are really endless. Not only can you practice law, but a lot of people go into government, a lot of people go into business. And then if you practice law, you think of it, I mentioned that I practice personal injury law, there's divorce law, there's helping people with debt, bankruptcy law, there's helping people with wills and estates and probate law. I mean, the list goes on and on and on. We mentioned patent and trademark work. So there's criminal defense work, prosecutors, there's things that should interest almost anyone. And, I just think it's really been an admirable, fantastic career.
A lot of people, though, have this idea of like, oh, lawyers, they're just kind of scummy, Can you address that?
Well, there are scummy lawyers, just like there are scummy car dealers and, unethical doctors, and there's good and bad in every profession. In my legal career, the people I've had that I've worked with, and this is mostly people on the other side of the V on cases, they've been good people. They've been ethical people. I can probably count in the last, 29 years on both hands the number of people that I felt were dishonest and unethical to deal with.
Biggest mistake you made in a courtroom?
I don't know if this is my biggest mistake, but I have selected 2 juries in jury trials with my zipper open in my pants. And I won both of those trials. And I have this theory that it allowed me to kind of allow the jury to see I could let my guard in and that I'm just a person just like that.